Let's break down the top 5 pool lifts brought to you by Rehabmart.com. Starting us off at number 5 is the hydraulic Hoyer Classic pool lift from Joerns. Easily the most affordable lift on this list, the Hoyer Classic's hydraulic design provides 360 degrees of freedom and a 62-inch lifting range. This manually operated lift is relatively unobtrusive and can be installed in either cement or wood, making it a great fit for sturdy docks. Given its manual operation though, the Hoyer Classic cannot be independently operated. Next up at number 4 is the Motion Trek Bariatric pool lift with anchor from Spectrum. Capable of lifting up to 350 pounds with its padded extra-wide seat and backrest, the Motion Trek features an incredibly powerful battery, capable of quietly completing up to 90 lifts on a single charge. The Motion Trek is fully ADA compliant, but those advanced features and bariatric support do make it more expensive than most standard lifts. Coming in at number 3 is the Ranger pool lift from AQUA. Its simple to use, waterproof remote, and compact design make the Ranger a great choice for independently accessing the pool. Its waterproof battery is easily removable for wall charging, and the entire unit is ADA compliant. That said, the Ranger needs to be installed further away from the pool than most lifts, making it unusable for most spas or small pools. Snagging the number 2 slot is the Global Rotational Series 450A lift. Designed specifically for above-ground pools that are 19 to 48 inches above deck, the battery-powered 450A is ADA compliant with a key to lock out unwanted users and a seatbelt strap for additional safety. The 450A does lift up to 450 pounds, but that additional capacity and above-deck functionality do make this the most expensive lift on this list. Finally, our pick for the number 1 slot goes to the AQUA Easy Lift. Sacrificing ADA compliance for residential use, the Easy Lift cuts costs to become the most affordable lift on the list. Its hydraulic manual base works with above-ground or in-ground pools and can lift up to 400 pounds, while its compact design gives this semi-portable lift 360 degrees of freedom and a 53-inch operating range.